Yo, what is up, guys? I'm back with a brand new banger video for y'all. Here we are here in front of the Yukon. You already know. Look at that. As you guys can tell, I got the chrome grizzle. I went ahead and took the Drake license plate off. It was upside down. I had no clue. But yeah. But anyway, look. It go hard, right? Yeah. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this headlight and this headlight done. I actually ordered a replacement for this one, so it's gonna be brand new, just like that one. But I'm gonna get my man to clear it. I'm gonna put a picture on screen. But yeah, I'm gonna try new burn to get these done. Pretty fire. Look at that shield, bro. Wow. But yeah, and then I got the caddy tail lights coming in too, you know, the one piece. Pretty lit. That one piece is fire, not gonna care. I got the Hawaiian roof pads up here. I went ahead and sold the other ones to my boy Ricky. He got a Trailblazer. But yeah, I sold those to him. But yeah, I joined a truck club called Drippin'. Here's it right here, boys. Drippin'. Follow me on the gram. There's actually a period in between there because Instagram wouldn't let me put my name there. But yeah, actually, you guys, what we're gonna do for the video today is I'm actually gonna head to Lowe's and see if I can find a little hitch carrier. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. So I bought this Grom not too long ago, right? And I want to find a carrier so I can put it on my truck and take it places. I mean, it's legal, you know, I have the plate and everything, but I actually want to take it to like some of our meets and stuff. So I feel like that'd be super lit. Record for y'all and stuff. But yeah, hold on. But before we actually do head to Lowe's, I want you guys to let me know what you think I should do on this bad boy. Like as far as setup wise or lift or whatever. The way I have 3 inches is because I got a 2-inch right here, and then on the bottom here, that little silver one is a 1-inch down there. So basically 3 inches. So I don't know if I'm gonna lift it more or what. I don't know, because I just want to put a setup on and be done with it. But I have no clue, honestly. But if I lift it, I'm gonna put wides on it, no cap. Like, I want to do wides on it, but I mean, I don't know, my money. Wides are expensive. In the Conmobile, look at this cool little thing I got here. Let me show you. So, that's my last name, boys. You already know the darkest tint in the world. No, it's only 5. And the bag is pretty dark. Oh, Rhoda, bro. Dang. Dude, every time I sneeze, I'm surprised. Every time I didn't sneeze a lot that time. Because every time I sneeze about 10 times. I'm not even capping, bro. Like, even in school, I did that. Everyone just looked at me. I was like, I can't help it, fam. But yeah, we're about to head to Lowe's right now to pick up the hitch carrier for the Grom, like I said. So yeah, go ahead and stay tuned for that. Also, look at this merch I'm wearing, boys. Go ahead, drippin.us is the website. Go ahead and get a shirt, man. We also got stickers like the one I showed you earlier in the video on the back of my truck. That is lit. No kids app. Alright, man, so right now we're on the way to Lowe's. But for real though, let me know what you guys think I should get on the Yukon next. I'm definitely getting an exhaust. Probably coming up. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this video, but I'm getting an exhaust like the week. The next video I upload is gonna have the exhaust in it. Probably. So yeah, stay tuned for that. It's coming up later this week. When y'all are gonna see this video and I'm gonna have the exhaust already, but I'm not gonna upload anything till a little bit after, basically. But yeah, y'all stay tuned for that. That's gonna be lit. I don't know if I should get catback straights, you know, just something simple, or gut the cats. I really wanted to clap, so I doubt catback straights is gonna, you know, fit what I want, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me know in the comments of this video what you think I should get also on my exhaust. Cause I want it to be loud. I don't care, bro. I want it to be loud. Yeah, I don't know if y'all know or not, but driving with this fuzzy steering wheel is like annoying. You know what I'm saying? Cause like you can't see the speedometer or the road, so you're just going where you're going. You feel me? I like it, but it's comfy, you know. But I don't know. It takes a lot to get used to. I don't really look at my speedometer anyway. I just go with the flow of traffic. I mean, I'm always right. Luckily, I guess. But yeah, boys, we're almost at Lowe's, no cap. That was a short little drive. No easy. You already know the dealio, but yeah, I'll see you guys when we in the parking lot. And what y'all boys know about that reverse parking? You already know that. Let me show y'all. And what y'all know about the reverse park skills, man? Yeah. It's sitting mean, right? Yeah. She alright. Just gotta look at the view. Alright, gang, what's the dealio? Finally made it into Lowe's. I don't even know where I need to go to get this freaking hitch carrier rack thingy. I have no clue. Boys, look at here. So after all this work, oh, I can't open it. All right, that's going bye-bye. Look, hold on. Finally got her in here. Bro, it's heavy, bro. I literally pinched, it fell on my leg in the process. Pinched it right there. But yeah, finally got it in here. It was like 80 bucks, I guess. Yeah, 80 bucks. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and be a good citizen. Dripping merch. You already know. Dripping truck. I'm gonna go ahead and put this little cart up. I don't really know where to put it because it's too big. Bro, what's the dealio, bro? The truck literally shit dumb right now. It looks good. Am I right? Sheesh. Let's hear the, hold on, let's hear the clapping. Not yet. It's quiet right now. I'm sorry. Yo, we got, that was a certified cop right there. Secure little cop on the good old hitch caddy back there, you know. Oh, it just went dark mode. So boys, let me know if you think I should get stars in the roof. I literally was planning on doing that, and I've been planning on getting stars in the roof for forever now. No cap, no cappage. Look at that. Sheesh. Boys. What tent? But yeah, about to go see some vibes real quick. That was weird. They just pulled up on me. They just shoot me. Hey man, what's up, boys? It is actually the next day on y'all, you know. He's switching up days like that. Sheesh, boys. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. Man, y'all see the boy? Man, hey man, say man. All right, so we got that, and that has to go there. We got these freakers out to the UPS store. It wasn't that far from my house, good thing, you know. Yeah, it wasn't that far, but it still sucks I had to drive there. But yeah, it was like a 15-minute drive. Yeah, but I'm heading back home now. Well, actually, I'm picking. Yo, what's up, man? We back out here in front of the car again. As you can see, it rained and it's very windy out here. But we're back on continuing the tail light install, because if you guys didn't know, the ones I ordered actually did not fit here. I mean, they fit, but they were the resistors were broken. That's what I meant to say. Yeah. So I assume the resistors were broken because when I plugged them in, nothing happened. So we got one more big box here. Maybe they work, you know. Let's see. All right, it came with the resistors for the anti-blink, anti-flicker. Go ahead and move the workstation to the con. You hear the belt squealing because it's wet, but listen to that chop. Dripping the gang, boys. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let this warm up because I'm gonna move it up a little bit so I can work, you know, better under the car. All right, about to go ahead and get in the Big Daddy Con. What is that? The Big Daddy Yukon, you already know. You already know the vibes. Digi dash on them. Psych. Look at that shit like a Christmas tree. Psych. Okay, boys and girls, here we are. About to install. The first step is to remove these screws. Boop and boop. So I got this piece of cardboard that my hitch rack came in, but I'm gonna go ahead and go under here. And so I got these bolts out right here. This one at the top. I'm gonna loosen the wire so I can go ahead and pull this out. And then there's one more bolt under there. All right, now that that's out, hands dirty. Wipe that off. Go ahead and firmly grasp it and just yank it. There we go. Tail light comes out. Here's the last screw holding on this black piece. Dang, dude, cars go by here so loud. I can't wait to move. Ugh. All right, we got it done here. We're gonna do the same thing for that. All right, boys, we went ahead and got both sides taken off. Hey, follow me on Snapchat. It's on the screen right now. Go ahead and add me real quick. But yeah, look at that. Straight up, it's some heat, huh? It's a little dirty. I'm gonna clean it. I don't really care about it, to be honest. So I assume I gotta plug. I'm assuming I gotta plug this into just like this, you know. Looks super self-explanatory. And the resistor just plugs in, tucks it away to the side. Simple. Do it. Other side too. All right, boys, what's good? We got this thing put back on. Got that one up there. I just gotta put the screws in though. Look at the fitment. It's a little gap here just because the screws aren't in on this side, but I'll show you this side. Some heat. Man, you already know the dealio, bro. You already know the dealio. Look at the... You already know. Hey, man, what's up, good? Oh, wait, I don't even have the hat on. Hold on. That's more like it, boys. All right, but what's going on? About to go ahead and start the Big Daddy Con up, you know. The Big Daddy Yukon. You guys already know the deal out here. You already know. You see the fit, you know, rocking a PFG. It's on slight for the day. Woo! You already know. I got that 5-point tray later in here. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? She revving up a little. Gotta let that idle settle, let her warm up, and we'll be out here. But yeah, I went ahead and got, you can't see, the caddy taillights are on, bro. Ooh, those things look fire. I just need to get an exhaust and wheels. Yeah, exhaust and wheels, that's it. And I'll be good, bro. But right here is the box the caddy taillights came in. I'm gonna take this to a dumpster somewhere and just put them in there, you know. Yeah. Ass, I only got like 20 bucks. That's what it did. Look at that. 20 bucks put me focus cam. Look at that, way over there. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, we all right though. We're gonna go ahead and dip on these homies. Look at the tent. Yeah. I'm gonna go get the oil change now. All right, boys, just arrived to the oil place. Go ahead and pull up in here. I don't know if he wants me to pull all the way in the bay. He said pull up to it, so I'm pull up to it. You heard me? About like before I can even edit any vlogs, I'm talking about. Boom, baby, a little bit of battery, we Gucci. Oh, you see it, you see it. That's the next cop, boys. Bro, when I put this on the channel, once I cop it, woo, you boys are gonna go insane. I'm not copping this for another, what, 4 or 5 years? Nah. I ain't gonna underestimate myself. 3, 4 years before I get this bad boy. Gay. Oh, snap. Finally done with the oil change. On the way back to the cribbo. You already know the dillo. Man, look at this homeboy looking at me. Dang, bro. But anyway, I got some stuff in the back. That's what's right on it, if y'all hear it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the crib. I gotta reset the oil sensor in the oil life. And that's it, boys. Look at there. There she is. No, my transmission light's not on. I don't know why they show up on the GMs, you know. Transmission light stays on when you have the key in the on position for some reason. But yeah, caddy taillights going dummy.